Imagine this. You're handed $100, a passport, and a plane ticket to some of the most iconic cities in the world. The challenge? Experience as much as you possibly can without spending a penny more. Sounds like fun, right? Today, we're setting off on a global adventure to discover just how far $100 can stretch in cities like Tokyo, New York, Bangkok, Istanbul, and Mexico City. From street food to stunning sights, you'll be amazed at what's possible. So, buckle up and let's get started. And before moving further, if you are new on this channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel for more amazing travel content. Our first stop is Tokyo, Japan, a city where tradition and technology blend seamlessly. With $100, you can start your day with a steaming bowl of ramen for about $10. It's hearty, delicious, and the perfect breakfast to fuel your Tokyo adventure. Next, hop on the Tokyo Metro. A one-day unlimited pass costs just $7, letting you zip around the city with ease. Your first destination? Asakusa, home to the stunning Sensoji Temple. Visiting this historic site won't cost you a thing, and the surrounding Nakamai Street is packed with affordable treats like taiyaki, a fish-shaped snack for $3. Feeling hungry again? Head to a conveyor belt sushi spot for lunch. For just $20, you'll enjoy fresh, top-quality sushi that's both fun and filling. In the evening, make your way to the vibrant streets of Shinjuku. Here, you can grab a drink in the famous Golden Gai area for $10. It's the perfect way to end your day in Tokyo, and you'll still have some change left over for a small souvenir. Next, we're off to the Big Apple, New York City. Kickstart your day with a classic New York bagel and coffee for just $7. It's a simple yet iconic breakfast that every visitor should try. For $2.90, hop on the subway and make your way to Central Park. Strolling through this urban oasis is completely free, and it's a great way to soak in the city's energy. After a refreshing walk, grab a slice of pizza for lunch. For just $4, you get a taste of one of New York's most beloved staples. Next, head to the Metropolitan Museum of Art. While the suggested donation is $25, you can pay what you wish. The Met is a treasure trove of art and culture, so it's worth every penny. As the sun sets, take a trip to Brooklyn's DUMBO neighborhood. The views of the Manhattan skyline and Brooklyn Bridge are breathtaking and completely free. Wrap up your day with a classic street hot dog for $3 and maybe a drink in a cozy bar for $15. New York is pricey, but $100 still goes a long way. Now, let's head to Bangkok, Thailand, where $100 feels like a fortune. Start your morning with mango sticky rice from a street vendor for just $2. It's sweet, refreshing, and uniquely Thai. Next, jump on the BTS Sky Train. A single ride costs about $1, making it one of the easiest and cheapest ways to get around. Your first stop is the Grand Palace, a must-see attraction. The entrance fee is $16, but the intricate architecture and golden spires make it worth it. For lunch, grab a plate of pad thai from a street vendor for just $3. This flavorful dish is a Bangkok classic, and it's as cheap as it is delicious. In the afternoon, take a boat ride along the Chao Phraya River for just $1. It's a scenic and peaceful way to see the city from the water. End your day at one of Bangkok's famous rooftop bars. With drinks starting at $10, you'll enjoy stunning views of the city's skyline without breaking the bank. From Bangkok, we fly to Istanbul, where East meets West. Begin your day with a traditional Turkish breakfast for just $5. Fresh bread, olives, cheese, and tea, it's the perfect way to start your morning. For $1, hop on a tram or ferry and explore the city's unique neighborhoods. Visit the Blue Mosque and Hagia Sophia, both of which are free to enter. The stunning architecture and rich history will leave you speechless. When hunger strikes, Grab a kebab sandwich for $4. It's filling, flavorful, and a staple of Turkish cuisine. Spend the afternoon wandering through the Grand Bazaar. Even if you don't buy anything, the vibrant colors, sounds, and smells make it an unforgettable experience. Finally, take a Bosphorus cruise for $15. The views of Istanbul's skyline from the water are absolutely stunning, especially at sunset. Don't forget to end your day with a cup of Turkish tea and a piece of baklava for $5. Sweet, satisfying, and so very Istanbul. Our final stop is Mexico City, a vibrant and affordable destination. Start your day with chilaquiles for $6, a spicy, flavorful breakfast that's sure to wake you up. Use the Metrobus to get around for just 50 cents per ride. It's efficient, cheap, and takes you to most major attractions. Visit the Frida Kahlo Museum for $12 and step into the colorful world of one of Mexico's most iconic artists. For lunch, head to a local taqueria and grab 3 tacos for just $5. Fresh, delicious, and packed with flavor. In the afternoon, take a stroll through Chapultepec Park. It's free to enter and filled with beautiful spots to relax or explore. For a unique cultural experience, catch a lucha libre wrestling match in the evening for $15. It's fun, thrilling, and uniquely Mexican. Finish your day with churros and hot chocolate for $4. It's the perfect way to end your Mexico City adventure. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the colorful bazaars of Istanbul, $100 can take you on incredible adventures in these vibrant cities. The key is to plan wisely, embrace local experiences, and savor every moment. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.